The United States Pentagon is proposing a historic shift in military spending, requesting more than $54 billion in its 2027 defense budget for artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous warfare systems. This isn't a small defense program. It's being described by analysts as the largest commitment ever made to military AI and autonomous systems in history. Why is the Pentagon making this massive investment? What exactly will this funding be used for? And how could this reshape the future of warfare? In this video, we'll break it all down, clearly, accurately, and in detail. According to defense budget documents, the Pentagon is asking Congress to approve $54 billion for autonomous warfare programs, primarily to support a new department called the Defense Autonomous Warfare Group, DAWG. This funding request is over 24,000% higher than what had been allocated for similar programs last year, marking a massive strategic pivot toward autonomous drones, AI systems, and robotics for future combat. The money is expected to go toward autonomous drones, air, sea, and ground, remotely operated systems, AI-driven battlefield command systems, networked autonomous platforms for multi-domain operations, AI integration for reconnaissance, targeting, and decision support. This signal is clear. The US military intends to transform how wars are fought, moving from traditional human-centered systems to AI-enabled combat tools. This historic funding request shows that the Pentagon believes AI and autonomous systems will define future battlefields, potentially reducing reliance on human soldiers in certain roles. A significant part of the funding supports something called the Drone Domination Initiative, a strategy to integrate autonomous drones widely across military operations. This includes drones that can navigate, coordinate, and engage with minimal human input, essentially ushering in a new era of robotic combat. This move is not just about the US. It reflects a broader geopolitical shift. Nations are racing to integrate AI into defense systems, with China and other major powers also investing heavily.
Experts warn that this rapid pivot toward autonomous warfare raises serious ethical and strategic concerns. Many argue the US military and AI developers are not yet ready for safe integration of autonomous combat systems. There is currently no comprehensive military doctrine for how to deploy autonomous systems responsibly, especially when decisions about life and death could be delegated to machines. Critics point out that the Pentagon is funding hardware before figuring out crucial training, rules of engagement, and oversight strategies. These concerns are shared by former leaders and military strategists, who warn that without proper doctrine and training, such systems could pose dangers to humans, both soldiers and civilians. If Congress approves this massive allocation, it could drastically reshape industries. Defense contractors specializing in autonomous systems, AI and robotics startups, software firms developing secure AI for battlefield use, data infrastructure and secure compute providers. Companies like Palantir and other defense tech firms may see significant growth, as large defense budgets typically drive long-term contracts and technological deployment. This isn't just a military move, it's a strategic economic investment as well. The Pentagon's $54 billion pivot toward AI-powered war is more than just a budget proposal. It is a revolution in how the US military intends to fight future conflicts. It represents a technological shift toward autonomous combat, a geopolitical race for AI and drone dominance, a major influence on the global defense industry, ethical and strategic challenges ahead. What do you think? Will autonomous war make the battlefield safer or more dangerous? Comment below. Subscribe for fast, factual global defense and tech analysis.